Here we are with a new unboxing video. It's a portable titer inflator, model E16. I purchased on Amazon. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. Seems to be very well packaged. USB charger cord. Inflators, nozzle. Looks like there's a tip for sports balls, basketballs, footballs. And a hose. A little carry pouch. Some instructions. And foam packaging. And it's in that little plastic bag. Protection. There we are. Just screwed the hose nozzle on. It's got a USB port and a charging port, flashlight. If you don't turn the light on, there's a little light button here. Turn that on. Press again. SOS. Fast. Third time. Turn it on. Power button right in the middle. Press and hold that. Little screen that said on. Forgive me, I didn't pull off that protective film cover. So now it's on. M for mode. Let's go through mode. Car 36. Scooter 32. Bicycle 45. Basketball 9. The PSI setting 36. Make sure the little battery charging now. Top charge. To power it off, just press and hold the power button. Press it off. Now we're going to put it on the tire and test it out. Okay, so I got it connected to my tire. My tire reads 20 PSI. So right now it's at 17. So we're gonna adjust it. Don't worry, the screen doesn't flicker like that, it's just the camera. So let's go PSI. .5, 20. Now we're gonna press. Just like that. All done. Well, there's a little gadget here, a little inflator. Excellent. Keeps the 20 PSI, shuts off. I went through and filled up all my tires. They were like 4 or 5 PSI off. Really inflated them all in probably less than 3 minutes. And the battery didn't even drop. And here it is, all packaged away in a little carry bag. Time to be stored in the vehicle.